parking lot sale at the Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. So you guys do see here, parking lot sale started early this week for the Inside Track Club, now available for everybody. You do have up until tomorrow to get these prices. This is $2.99 for the miter saw. This is a 12-inch. Very similar to the DeWalt. If you don't want to pay so much, then you get the exact copy basically in blue for $2.99. Got the drill driver there kit, and then you got the 20-volt hex impact driver. It is available with the new deals, buy one get one free deals that they got going on. If you guys want to check out that video, I do have a video uploaded on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to check it out, I believe it's like 2 videos back. That's the impact wrench for $59. It is corded, so if you don't want to invest in a tool liner or battery operated line, you can plug that in and take your nuts out. Titanium drill bit set for $9.99. Great for a DIY project at the house. $10, not bad. Don't expect those to last forever. You got a sander, it's a 2.8 amp. 0 to 13,000. You got $19.99, so just under $20. So it's pretty good deal for a sander. You got a polisher, 7-inch for $27.99. That's not bad. And then you got the Bauer polisher there for $39.99. So this is a smaller one. The other one was a 7-inch. I believe this one's a little bit smaller, a 6-inch. You got the cutting foam. You got coarse, medium, and fine, and ultra fine. So there's different types of foams you guys could buy. They do have sizes smaller and bigger. In case you have a bigger polisher, there's yes, guys, the jacks. I can't stress enough about these jacks. They have a whole bunch of jacks. I'll go over them in a second. We got some welders, jump starter, some stools, and then we have a ball joint service kit. I would like to have that ball joint service kit. Limited 140 professional multi-process welder. You got some Bauer drills, some jacks, creepers, some more power tools there, Bauer power tools. Alright, one of the items that's on sale is this heat guns for under $10. I ended up picking myself one of these up. I gotta remove some stickers, and you know, great for just random stuff that you need heat. Some gloves there. You got a vise. This is a vise. Oh, this is not this. This is just a regular 4-inch swivel vise for $149. But in a second, like this one. This one is for trailer hitch, so this one will attach to your trailer hitch on the back of your truck, and you got a mobile vise. So that is a nice, if you guys do a lot of off-roading repair, this is a really nice vise to have for the truck, for off-roading, for just general work. You got a 7mm nitrile glove for $649. Pack of 50, and then you got some lighter duty, which I use these a lot at work. These are $4.99. These are the magnetic strips for $2.94. These are great, guys, for your toolboxes. You guys won't drill on your toolboxes. You guys could put these two back to back. I do have videos on this. You guys want to check it out. There are older videos, so just don't mind the mess that I did, but you know, laugh a little bit. But yeah, older videos, and I did put them back to back. It works really good with some screws. This is the as it is item. Save up to 50% off. Save 25% off marked items. So you save 25% on these. $69.99. That's not bad. And same thing with these. So yeah, guys, you guys do get 25% off of this. I don't know if by Saturday or today. This was filmed Friday. So I don't know if today Saturday or tomorrow Sunday will be cheaper, or will be more discounted. So, but yeah, you are getting 25% off of these items, as it is for the orange tags. You got the ammo can, $12.99. And then you have another one here for $3.86, down from $5.99. This one's plastic. The other one was metal. So pretty nice. $99 for the Flux 125 welder. And that's it right there. We'll see that in a bit. And then you got the titanium flux core, Easy Flux 125 for $169. So I would definitely recommend you guys this brand. This titanium brand is really good. There's been a lot of professional welders that like these, or people that do their DIY stuff and prosumer. And that is the Flux 125 there at the right there. Now this is very beginner. This is just for somebody that does welding occasionally. You want something a little better. This one's $4.99 limited, 140 professional. That's pretty nice. Multi-process welder. Alright, so if you guys do have a shop, and you guys do have maybe a dust collection or whatever you have, and you want to turn on a switch, this is a foot switch there for 16 bucks. Just thought I'd put that out there. Guys, these are on sale at this parking lot sale. They got the 6-ton and the 3-ton. These are the 3-ton for $28.99. This is actually cheaper than what I seen before. So definitely check these out, guys. These are the brand new jack stands. I will definitely check these out. I gotta get myself a set of these 6-tons. They look really nice. 6-tons are 80 bucks. Not bad at all. They are huge though. They're very huge. I really like them, especially for lifted trucks. You got starting at $49.99. You got to buy one of these tools and get a battery for free. It's a 3-amp battery. Definitely that nailer, that vacuum, the SDS hammer. All those tools are really nice to have. Even the 10-inch chainsaw and the pole saw. All those tools are really nice to have. So definitely check it out, as it is limited time offer. Buy a 20-volt 8-amp high capacity battery. Get a charger for free. Those are all the tools you guys could choose from. That is the SDS, and you guys do see they're not that expensive. That's a good thing. Circular saw, and some of these are brushless tools like that. Circular saw is brushless. You got the nailer there. That's pretty nice. 18 gauge spread nailer. Got the vacuum there for 74 or 69 bucks. Does come with some accessories or accessories. You got heavy duty guaranteed pole saw. So you got different ones. You got angle grinders there for $49.99, was $69.99 for the parking lot sale. And then you got that $99 and $64 for the polisher there. You got a reciprocating saw for under $20. That's a good deal for somebody that's just wants to cut something. 20 bucks will get you going. And then you got this. This is one of the newer tools that catch my attention. This is it'll cut beams and all that stuff up to 12 inches for 7 1/4 circular saws. It is like an adapter, and $69.99. So that's nice. You got a socket trace, peg type 3-piece, different colors, $18.99. So you guys got toolboxes. You guys want to get organized. You got some more items here. Hand truck, hardwood dolly. I gotta get myself one of these. One of these lights too. I did forget to get them. Those lights are really solid. The icons and the bronze. So definitely check those out. Some more items there at the bottom and the back. You got some winches, a ladder, some ratcheting tie downs, inflator, $149 for the hardwood workbench. It's pretty nice. I personally would like to just build it myself, but a lot of you like to just buy them like that. It saves you time. You got a solar panel, 100-watt solar panel. I gotta get myself one of these smaller ones for the power box that I have. You got some cases there for you guys could use your longer tools. I can't say the other word, but yeah. Protective tool case there. For $119, you got a weatherproof protective long case. That's what it is. And then you can open and close valve for securely for the wet environments, so they can breathe in and out. You got a 4-in-1 screwdriver. They used to give this for free, but I don't know. They're not giving that for free anymore, I guess. You got the jacks, and they do have the off-road jack, guys. That's pretty nice. So they do have that off-road jack that's been on the YouTube videos. A lot of YouTubers have these. This is actually a really nice jack, up to 29 and 1/16, 6,000 pound rated. Yeah, that's really nice to have. A roller seat, Pittsburgh roller seats. I heard mixed reviews about this one, so it's $24.99. You got the motorcycle style with leather seat for $89.99. We'll look at these in a bit. There's another section that they have them. You got the 212cc motor or engine for $134, and then they got a 301 piece for $179. Yeah, the engines are solid, guys. The Advanti sprayer there for $39.99. And then you got a closeout special while supplies last. Single top chest. So that's pretty good. And then they have the brand new Series 3. This is something I want to get. I do currently own a Craftsman. This is going to be an upgrade from the Craftsman if I ever decide to get it. And I think I'm going to, once I have my garage, a bigger garage, then I'm probably going to end up getting something like this. Definitely need something like this with the hutch. Everything. You got the dual sliders there, ball bearing sliders. And then you got a compartment there for the chargers with some really nice power strip built in the drawer. I really like this color. It's like a Toyota gray or something like that. They got these boxes there on the back, so you guys could store some tools. $19.99 for the 1/2" DB impact socket set. Definitely recommend these sockets. These are great to have. I have a few years already with mine. I put these through hell and back with the high torque impact wrenches, and they handle it pretty good. You got the extra long handle for the floor jacks, so you guys need extra leverage. You guys got a bigger space. I personally do not have a space, so these don't work for me. $139 for the 3-ton low profile jack with rapid pump. I do have this one in orange. I would prefer to have green or blue, but yeah, I have the orange. And this is the same thing, but if you don't want all the fancy colors, $109. This is actually a pretty dang good deal for almost $100. Yeah, that's a pretty dang good deal for this one. And then you got the ball bearing or ball joint service kit, 10 piece. I should have one of these because I do ball joints all the time. $119, your choice. So you buy 2 of these and you will pay $119. So you can get 2 tools or a battery and a tool, and that those tools are really, really good deals. Really good power tools, especially with the 5-year warranty that they're offering. Yes, they're offering a 5-year warranty that Haberford's been stepping it up. They want to compete with the top of the line competitors. All right, so we got some more deals here. Actually, these are screwdrivers, and you got a shop light there for $17, 17 something. All right, so the shop's tools. There they are. I got $54 for the adjustable. They do come in different colors. Depends on, yeah, right there are the colors. Really nice padding. That is the motorcycle style. With the leather seats up to 350 pound capacity. And then you got the icon. That motorcycle one seems to be really comfortable. These are $99. Heavy duty, up to 300-pound capacity. You got the Creeper, $29.99. Like I said, a lot of people say that a lot of people leave on the comments that they break. As a matter of fact, somebody just left me a comment. Thank you for your feedback, but mine does work pretty good. And this is one of the tools you guys can get with the buy one get one free. Not the one that I just showed you, but the video I just made. It's on the website. You guys could get the grease gun, and you got the grease one with Bauer. And like I said, those jacks they do come in blue. Those Daytona low profile jacks. So that's pretty nice. And then you got the auger for $197 with the Predator motor or engine. Got the pressure washer for $79.99. Now this pressure washer has always been this price. So if you need it, get it. If you're not, then don't worry about it. But it's actually pretty nice. I do have a few videos on this, and sometimes when they clog up, how to repair it and all that stuff. You got the brown lights and the icons, so definitely worth the $20 and the $27. Definitely check these out. I really like this icon one. I might get it. I did not get it. I already spent it too much on the Harbor Freight. Alright, so you got the fans. You got the Bauer fan. You guys do see the difference. The Hercules is a little bit bigger. $37.99 for the Bauer. And then you got $44.99 for the Hercules. And then you have $119 for the high velocity shop fans, 24-inch. And either the pedestal or the floor. $1,000 or $18.99 for this compressor. It's a gas compressor with the engine. You got a generator here, guys, with the 25% off for $8.99. Imagine getting this for 25% off, $87.50. And then this one's $543. It's a little smaller. Also 6,500 psi or 6,500 watts. You got a jack there for, looks like I can't see, for 87. I got a smaller screen than you guys, by the way. $95 for this one with the box. Guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys what we have. You guys have a great weekend. Let us know in the comment section which tools did you get, which tools would you want to get on this parking lot sale. That's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.